Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2015 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive. Newton certified pre-owned. Gives you peace of mind. You'll want to ask your salesperson about that program. Fog light comes standard, alloy wheels as well. Roof rails are standard. This vehicle this SL has a package which gives you a panoramic moonroof as a part of that package, as well as blind spot warning and lane departure warning, which are advanced safety systems, come as a part of that package as well. Power liftgate would come standard on the SL model. Your floor in the rear has different cargo configurations that you can do. Looks like someone has left us and provided us some all-weather floor mats, which is fantastic on a pre-owned vehicle. Extra bonus. Of course, this vehicle is available for a limited time. Okay, so you'll want to definitely call ahead to check availability. Power driver's seat with lumbar and leather appointed seat trim. Got a few buttons over here that I'll just go through. Power liftgate, all-wheel drive lock, hill descent control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth hands-free phone operation. Okay, I've got it. I've got the around view monitor set for to show out the front of the vehicle, which is what you'll get when you're in park or when you're in drive mode. Go to reverse, and this side will flip back to the reverse camera for this view over here. Still have your 360-degree view because there's cameras underneath of both mirrors on the front and on the back to produce that 360-degree viewpoint. Very helpful when you are parking. So let me now switch to, there's your navigation screen. Of course, you got your auto climate control. BOSE premium audio. Okay. Let me pan in here closer so you can see you got forward emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot warning, advanced safety systems on this vehicle. This vehicle is very nicely loaded, available for a limited time. You can see more photos, more detailed information at newtonnissan.com.